shared with you the means basics of SAP security.
Right,
All
right,
right. Uh,
right.
yeah. All right. So, have you checked anything information about yourself?
मैंने मतलब जो की कोड आपने कल बताए थे ना उनको सेम मतलब सिर्फ की कोड आईडी डाल के गूगल पे सबके वो सर्च कर करके देखे थे
Okay.
कि उस पे वहां पे मतलब कि एसएपी पे क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है मतलब कि
Okay.
क्योंकि मैंने जैसे कल आप करवा रहे थे तो साथ साथ में मैंने मेरे नोट्स बनाए थे तो कुछ कुछ तो जो लैंग्वेज में आपने लिख रखा है वो सेम लैंग्वेज में मैंने लिखे थे और कुछ फिर बाद में साथ साथ में जो आज जो मैंने रिवाइज किया और वहां पे एसएपी के उस पे देखा तो मतलब वो मतलब मीनिंग तो वही था थोड़ी सी बस लैंग्वेज का डिफरेंस था
Yeah.
तो
All right.
उनको बस
ना
दोबारा
yeah,
पढ़ा था
yeah, because ये लैंग्वेज मैंने ही लिखी है जो लिखी है इसमें.
हाँ
Okay. So
हाँ
yeah, language will be different, but it will work the same.
हाँ
Okay.
बस मेरे को ये जो SUIM है इसमें थोड़ा सा जैसे ये था कि जितना इसमें आपने मेरे को बताया था कि रिपोर्टिंग के लिए और की कोड सर्च करने के लिए अपन काम में लेते हैं और उस पे मैंने वहां पे देखा था तो ये था कि जैसे कि किसी पर्टिकुलर आईडी को अपने को सर्टेन लिस्ट ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन असाइन करनी है तो अपन क्या करेंगे कि उसका एक रोल बनाएंगे और उस रोल को यूजर आईडी को असाइन कर देंगे
No, SUIM is not used for that. It is used to search only. Okay.
ओके तो इसी में बस मेरे को वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हुआ था बाकी तो सेम था
All right. So let's start. Okay. I will tell you about that SUIM as well. Okay.
ओके
But let's start with most basic user creation, user management system.
ओके
Okay.
ओके
Because user management is very important. Once you understand that, and then what is role management, you will be able to understand how we use SUIM and why we use SUIM.
ओके
Okay, so let's start with SU01, which is used for user management.
ओके
Okay, in this decode, what we do is we create users, we modify users. Okay,
ओके
give me a second. Yeah, we create, modify, user deletion, user log and log, user password reset. Like someone had forgotten his password. Okay, and grant role.
लॉक
Okay,
अनलॉक में क्या
like okay, let me tell you. Like in I mean in your phone only. Let's take your phone only. Suppose phone is not able to capture your fingerprint.
ओके
You have tried multiple times.
ओके
Okay, or while logging to your email, you forgot your password. You have tried multiple times, and it will log. And okay, it goes into lock
ओके
mode. It usually goes into lock mode and gives a message that you have tried multiple times.
राइट
Now we
राइट
need
राइट
to verify you.
ओके
Okay, so in here instead of verification, the user raises ask his supervisor or me sorry he if he have access to the ticket tool, he will raise a ticket to reset the password.
ओके
Okay, to reset the password and unlock the or unlock the account because he has tried too many times wrong password and the account is logged now.
ओके
Okay, means user you have tried multiple times, like 5 times, 10 times with the wrong password, and now it gets logged. Now you have to verify yourself that you are the owner of that email account. Similarly, he will contact us and we will check. Yeah, if it's a simple lock and unlock, means we will unlock it first and then receive the password. Share a default password to him. Understood?
अंडरस्टूड
Okay. Well, I will tell you this. Let's go to the demo system. You are able to see the screen, right?
Right, right.
Okay. Yeah, it's opening. ECC system. Now we are on ECC only. So yeah.
ECC मतलब किसको बोलते हैं अपन?
ECC का या
कि
full ECC means old R3 आर्किटेक्चर वाले जो होता है.
अच्छा मतलब कि जिसमें डेटाबेस एसएपी का नहीं हो कि थर्ड पार्टी है.
Yeah. See, this is ERP central component. Okay.
Okay.
Means SAP Enterprise Resource Planning Central Component. This is the full form. Okay, so if I must say SAP ERP or SAP ECC, it is the same SAP security that we are reading right now. You will okay. You will also when you will search for job, you will also find that there is requirement for SAP ERP.
Okay.
Okay, when you see the if when you see the requirement, you will find that it is the same as SAP ECC that we are right now learning.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So
राइट. अभी मार्केट में मतलब ये सैप ईसीसी चल रहा है या फिर एसएपी हाना ज्यादा चल रहा है?
see मार्केट में फिलहाल दोनों 50-50 पे हैं.
अच्छा.
ओके मी बट या सैप S4HANA की डिमांड ज्यादा है क्योंकि जो है एसएपी ने जो है वो अल्टीमेटम दे दिया है कि 2027 तक आपको S4HANA में मूव करना है.
ओके.
We will not be using any third party database. So अब
और
डिमांड
उसमें कितना डिफरेंस आएगा मतलब ईसीसी में और हाना में कितना डिफरेंस है? ज्यादा डिफरेंस है या?
see from our end from GUI our point of view there is no difference. Only T codes, some T codes are removed and some new T codes are introduced. That's it.
ओके.
बट SU01 हम लोग इसमें भी वैसे यूज करेंगे जैसे उसमें 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 करेंगे. पीएफसीजी पीएफसीजी टी कोड और ये जो SC16 मल्टीपल टी कोड्स हैं जो कि मैं आपको डेली लाइफ में बता रहा हूँ वो सारे वही होंगे जो S4HANA में भी सेम है और उसमें भी सेम है. ओके या एक टी कोड का डिफरेंस आएगा ट्रबल शूटिंग वाले में विच इज दिस ST01. ओके इसका रिप्लेसमेंट है ST ऑफ ट्रेस.
ओके.
Means in S4HANA you won't be using ST01 at all.
ओके.
But in ECC we have the option to use either ST01 and ST of trace. Now what is the using? I will tell you while I tell you how to troubleshoot. Okay.
ओके.
Okay. Yeah, you were you saying something? Were you saying something?
सॉरी.
No, were you saying something right now?
नो नो नो.
Okay. So let's start with SU01. Okay. This is the command bar where we will put the T code SU01
ओके. ओके.
login. Okay. This is the main screen of user maintenance. This is the user maintenance screen. Okay.
ओके.
You will always find the command bar here. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is the user. Like if you have to create a new user or you have to search a new user. Sorry, old user. If you have to search a old user, so we will enter the username here.
Okay.
Okay. So let's create your account. Okay. Monica.
Okay.
Okay. See, we will press enter and it shows that there is no user account available right now.
मतलब
Okay.
यूआई पे तो कुछ डिफरेंस आया नहीं.
नहीं अभी नहीं आएगा अभी आएगा मैं बता रहा हूँ. See, there was no account with the name Monica.
राइट राइट.
Okay, that's why it is here only. It doesn't show us any information.
ओके.
Okay, now let me tell you about this screen first, then we will move on to next one.
ओके.
This new page. It says create, means if we have to create a new account.
Okay.
Okay, we will press this button.
Okay.
If we have to edit an old account,
Change.
yeah, then change. Let's click on change for you. See, user Monica does not exist.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we cannot change anything because we have to create now. Then this is to display like multiple times we will. Yes, sorry, yeah. Multiple times we will only have we may have option to display only. Okay, means we can only check the information, but we cannot make any changes to it.
Okay. और view only की permission.
Means
हाँ मतलब कि हमें सिर्फ व्यू करने की परमिशन है उसको.
exactly, that's correct. We can only use the display option. We can check the information like in case of table. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
either basis team or adapt team have the have authorization to make changes to the table. However, all the other users can only view the table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then this is to delete
Okay.
the account.
Okay.
Now then this is to copy the account. Okay.
Okay.
See this copy function. Let me say, suppose there are 2 3 people already in a department. In a single
Mm-hmm.
department, there are already 2 3 people. Now you have joined that department,
Mm-hmm.
and means you have joined the organization in that department. So what will happen is uh, we will as a Sap security consultant, I will have to add those rows to your account, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Right.
when your user access form is given to us,
Mm-hmm.
okay, user access form is given to us by your manager. He mentions a reference ID. Reference ID means this person, like suppose means this person is already working in the organization. Just use
Mm-hmm.
provide all these authorization to Monica now.
Okay.
Okay. So what we do here is
Okay.
we use the copy function.
Mm-hmm.
Once we use the copy function, let's say we are using this copy function. Okay, see copy users. Now from to means I will write your name here to, and from let's say test.
मतलब कि कोई ऑलरेडी एक यूजर हमारे एसएपी में एग्जिस्ट करता है, उसके पास कुछ
Yeah,
परमिशंस है, कुछ रोल्स है, वैसी
जी
की वैसी डिट्टो प्रोफाइल हमें मोनिका के लिए क्रिएट करनी है.
एग्जैक्टली सी यहाँ पे हम लोग को कई चीजें दिख रही हैं लाइक डिफॉल्ट्स, यूजर पैरामीटर्स, रोल्स, authorization profiles,
हम्म.
everything will be copied other than the address data.
हाँ
I will tell,
एड्रेस चेंज.
okay, I will tell you that when we move in further. Okay, so we do not, it does not copy the address data. Let's say I am using just one. Okay, I used a just one account and use the copy feature. Now, oh, sorry, I have created in that. Okay, now I will copy a user called test underscore 8 a.m. Okay, now here under address data, last name is mandatory.
ओके.
Okay, so you'll it automatically copy your last name, the username. If you want, you can make changes to it, but it is mandatory.
ओके.
Remember this: to create an account, last name and passwords are mandatory. If you want to create a user account or test account in SAP, you will need to mention a last name and a password. Understood?
ओके.
So here we have
Okay.
entered the last system, picked up the last name Monica only. Then what is we will have to enter a new password. Welcome 123. Okay,
Okay.
this is our new password.
Okay.
Okay, here we will select the user type. There are five types of user, right?
Mhm.
I will tell you tell you this once we move on from SU01. Okay,
Okay.
all these five types of you need to remember all these five types of users. Okay, after that, essence data is in SNC. It is not available as of now. Yeah. Okay. Let me tell you. See, SNC is used for single sign on. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose, like I've told you, while logging to the SAP system, there are two systems, right? Connected to SAP.
Mm.
Suppose
Mhm.
if you want to log into this system as well,
Mhm.
you will have to enter your login and password again.
Okay.
But if we have enabled this SNC single sign on your account, you just need to click on the system name, okay, and you can log in.
Mhm.
No need to enter your password again and again every time.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what single sign-on is, and it is not customized here, implemented here, the demo system. That's why we can't see it.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So that data will be copied here. Then defaults means what will be your language. It will be EN. I think yeah, it will be EN. Yeah, English. English will be your default language. Decimal notation, date format, what will be the date format, time format. These small means uh, small thing. What will be your time zone? It is all here. Means default parameter, default values and parameters. Okay.
Okay.
Monica?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, all right. So now we mentioned that information like what will be your time zone, time format, date format, uh, language, everything will be here. Then we don't make any changes to parameters. Okay,
Okay.
that's unless it is given by the uh, given by unless it is given by the client, we do not make any changes to the parameters. Then comes role.
Mm.
Okay, let's delete this row. Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah. Profiles is already sorry. Okay. Roles. Here we assign roles to the user. Like suppose if we want to give access to a user, we will add role to their account.
Okay.
Okay. So we add role to the account. Means if unless until and unless we assign role, a user cannot do anything in the system.
Okay.
Okay, so we add role here. We simply add the role names. See, there are so many roles here. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, so we will add role to your account soon. Okay, then profiles. We do not make any changes here. As soon as, but remember, roles and profile, they are correlated with each other.
Okay.
Once we add role to account, a profile is already automatically added to the account. Okay.
Okay.
GRC 292. ठीक है. No, you are negative.
Okay. Let's say.
Negative.
Now, X test and troubleshooting. This is a rule that we have just added to your account for troubleshooting purpose only. Okay.
Oh,
See, once we have added, a profile is already there.
okay.
So a profile is added to the account once we add a role to it. So we do not make any changes to profiles tab as well. Then groups.
Okay.
Okay, give me a second. Yeah. Then groups. If it is given, then okay. Otherwise, we don't make any changes like here used for demo systems. Okay. Then personalization and license data as well. We don't make any changes to these like profile, profile, personalization, license data, and parameters tab. These 4 tabs we don't make any changes. Okay.
Okay. मतलब क्यों नहीं करते अपन इनमें चेंजेस?
It is more of let's say basic basis team do the work, or if it is given by the organization that we need to make those changes, we have to add those license data. But actually, this is done by the basis team only usually. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
We will just do the main work where the person gets the correct authorizations.
Okay.
Then save it. User Monica is created. Okay. Now, if you want, you can log into your account. Password will be capital W ELCOME 123.
Okay.
Once you have once you get the demo system, you will be able to log in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Monica, if you do you have any confusion here?
Not right now.
Okay. Then comes the log and lock.
Okay.
I can lock your account from here, and I can unlock your account
Okay.
from here. Simple. Okay.
Okay.
Then comes reset password. If suppose you have raised a request to reset the password or lock unlock, we will reset your password from here instead of going inside the inside SU01. We will just reset your password from here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then
पासवर्ड तो सारे यूजर्स भी अपना अपना चेंज कर सकते हैं ना?
exactly. See, let me show you. I've just created your account, right?
Right.
Now, yeah. Let's close this. Use this and let's use your account to log in. MONIKA. K था ना? Oh, sorry.
Right.
KA.
Welcome 123.
Welcome 123. See, as soon as you log in, a new password is asked. Okay. Now, until and unless you create your own password, because that was the default password.
Okay.
Until and unless you enter your own password, you cannot log into the system.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. So we'll come to this. I have told you about tabs in SU24, SU01. Sorry, yeah. All right. Now, I think I forgot to tell you about user request form, access request form. Okay.
Which form?
Let me show you.
This request form.
All right. See. No, 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 no. All right. This is a. Okay. Not visual source man. Are you able to see the? This is not visible, right?
Visible, not clearly, but
Yeah, I understand. Let me get a more visible image. Okay, this should be,
आप उसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो शायद आप
yeah,
जूम कर
okay, okay.
पाएंगे,
Oh,
तो
sorry, sorry,
ये
sorry, sorry, sorry.
नेक्स्ट करिए.
Uh,
हाँ,
See this.
इसको फुल स्क्रीन. हाँ,
Okay. Now
ओके.
this is a user request form. Like suppose, well, this is mostly digital now. Okay, but
हम्म.
earlier, I once you have joined any organization, you will be uh, asked to fill a form. Okay, see,
ओके.
fill to you can see this. This is the request number. Okay,
हम्म.
it will be entered here. Then your full name to be filled by user or reporting officer. Either your reporting officer or you will fill actually mostly user filled that. Give me a second.
Sure.
Okay, yeah. So you will fill your information like full name, personal mobile number, what is your designation, then CNIC number. I think it might be your employee code, employee ID. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what are you an existing user or new user? So new user. Okay. Permanent contract basis. You know about permanent contract, right?
Right, right.
Yeah. So vendor, temporary contract. So all this information. Then SAP access level and role.
ओके.
And
इसमें क्या मतलब क्या फिल होंगे, जैसे अपन सिक्योरिटी से है तो अपन क्या इसमें रोल सिक्योरिटी का डालेंगे?
exactly. In fact, this information will be filled by a supervisor officer. Means you have filled your personal information.
ओके.
Okay. Now it will be filled by a
ओके.
supervising officer. Means what is your level? Okay.
हम्म.
What roles will we need to add to your account?
हम्म.
Suppose you have joined sales and distribution.
हम्म.
Okay. So what roles you need in sales and distribution? We will be told by your supervisor or manager.
ओके.
Okay. Means actually by a supervisor, they will write the note. In fact, they will simply write share a reference user ID here.
हम्म.
That
ओके.
this is the user. Just copy the rows from his account to your account,
हम्म.
and we will use the copy function to create your account.
ओके.
Okay. If there you need any additional rows, it will be mentioned in this form.
ओके.
Then reporting officer approvals. Who is the reporting officer? His name, designation, signature. Okay. If it is disapproved, why it was disapproved. Then functional specialist approval. And means all the approvals will be here.
ओके.
Okay. Once all these approvals are here, we get we will get this access request form, and then based on the access request form, we will create your account. Okay,
ओके.
like I've told you in SU01 we have to fill username, last name. Okay, There's
Mm-hmm.
also option to fill your email address,
Okay.
like yeah, let's change it. Means just to check. See, what will be your title? Doctor, Madam, Miss. Okay, Miss Monica. What is your first name? Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
language, English. Okay.
Okay.
Work center means what is the function, what is the department, in which room number will you sit, which is your full floor, building code, area code, telephone number, extension, fax, official email address, everything will be provided to us by the form, access request form. Understood? Okay.
Okay.
So these are information that are shared to us by the access request form, and then we create the account using
Okay.
SU01. Till now, do you
Okay.
have any questions?
Not right now.
All right. Then I told you here that I will tell you about this types of users and their users, right?
Right.
So let's continue with that. There are five types of users in SAP security.
Okay.
Number one is dialog user, which is most commonly used user.
Okay.
Okay. Please, you may, if you want, you can note this down, this information down.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
So
writing
yeah,
parallelly.
okay, good. Then dialog user means it is the interactive user. Default type of user means every end user is a dialog user. Whether it's a manager, whether you in any department, whoever is in the production system will have the dialog user. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Like when we will have a dialog user account. Now,
Okay.
what are the key points of a dialog user? It is means interactive user. It interacts with the SAP system application. Okay. Now it can log into one system at a time. Like suppose you have logged into your own laptop. Now you cannot log into another laptop using your account.
Okay.
Okay. Password parameters are applied. Means I have created a default password. I have created your account and created a default password, right?
Mm-hmm.
But as soon as you logged in, you are asked to create your own password. You will be asked.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that is what the here password parameters applied means. Means you will have to create your own password. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you will have to change your password periodically, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, a year, a month. It depends on the organization.
Mm-hmm.
And all those okay, and all those parameters like there should be one small letter, one capital letter, alphanumeric, all such parameters are also there.
You
But the
are
most
Mm-hmm.
important one is that as soon as you log into for the first time in the system, you will have to change your password.
Okay.
All right. Then GUI login is allowed. Means you can log into the SAP GUI. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's. This is the SAP GUI, and dollar user can log in here.
Okay.
Okay, I've logged into the SAP GUI. So this is the SAP. This is what it means. SAP GUI. Now, I have
Mm-hmm.
told you about profiles, right? A small information about
Right.
profile that it is attached with the role. Now, the dialog user can have maximum of 312 profiles.
Okay.
Understood? Yeah. All right.
Understood.
So these are some key points of a dialog user. Then comes the second one, service type user.
Mm-hmm.
Now, a service type user is usually used for test IDs and FAFATA IDs. Okay. Now, why service hub is used for test IDs only? Because
Okay.
it can log into multiple systems, multiple dialog logons. Means you have logged in using your account on your laptop. Now, if you want, you can log into another laptop using your account as well.
Okay.
Okay, so this actually contradicts the what I would say security law.
Okay.
Okay, that you can log into someone else's system as well with your account.
Okay.
When password parameters are not applied, means uh, the user can log in with the default password and he don't need to change it.
Okay.
Okay, now like I said, it is used for test IDs. Suppose we have created something in the and we have to test it on multiple systems.
Mm-hmm.
But as soon as you log in, you are asked to enter a different password. So it will be for
Mm-hmm.
testers and quality analysts. It will be quite hectic. That's why we use service user for test IDs.
Okay.
And GUI login is allowed.
Okay.
Means they can also log into the GUI.
Okay.
Okay, now other system communication and reference user.
Okay.
Okay, these three user accounts do not log into GUI.
Okay.
Okay,
फिर
and
इनका लॉगिन कहाँ से इनसे
means Monica.
मैं बोल रही थी कि इनका लॉगिन फिर बैकएंड से होता है क्या जीयूआई अगर
नहीं नहीं,
यूआई से नहीं होता
ये लॉगिन करते ही नहीं सिस्टम में.
ओके
See, password parameters are because they do not log in, therefore password parameters are not applied. That means they don't need password as well.
ओके
Okay. इनका
ओके
काम क्या होता है? सिस्टम यूजर्स जो होते हैं, एक सपोज वी हैव क्रिएटेड टू जीआरसी सिस्टम्स.
ओके
ओके, sorry, two SAP security systems. We have created two
ओके
SAP security systems. So, like, so to communicate between the two systems, we will use a system user ID. It will work as a means of communication, internal communication. Okay, called RFC connection remote function call. So system users will be used as an internal communication medium for RFC connection.
ओके
And communication type of users, they are used for external communication. Means suppose when we have connected SAP system to a GRC system, so GRC is a non-SAP system. Okay, so we will
ओके
how to communicate between them. We will use a communication type user to act as a communicator or medium of communication. Okay,
ओके
any confusion till now?
नो
Okay, and then there is a reference user. I've told you reference user, right?
नो
Now, it is used for providing extra access to dialog users when its access limit of 312 profiles is reached. Okay. Now, a dialog user have a limit of 312 profiles. What if he needs 350 profiles? So we use the
ओके
reference user to add it to the dialog user, and hence we will increase its limit.
ओके
Okay. Well, we don't use reference user much, so I can't tell you about it. All right.
ओके
Please read about the types of users in SAP security, a bit about yourself, and we will continue tomorrow.
ओके
Okay. Yeah.
ओके
All right.